Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Did we do tenses exercise yesterday?
No, ma'am.
I'll just show you the exercises. Just one. Just check out and see, did we do this yesterday? Yes or no?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We did this.
Never mind, never mind. Don't panic, don't worry. I'll show you something first, then only we will start. How many of you have submitted your notebooks?
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Raise your hands. Raise your hands so that I get an idea how many I have to get them collected for corrections.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, please check if there's somebody who's not there in your class, both the sections. Check out the participant list. Please do it. And raise your hand so that I know 10 students have raised their hands. Children, please check out for all the participants list.
Ma'am, who have to raise their hand?
What, beta?
Ma'am, who has to raise their hand?
Your voice is not clear. Shreya, 9C. Okay. Beta, we are doing some exercises based on tenses. 14 students have raised their hands. That means 14 students have submitted their notebooks only in both the sections. 16. Okay, 17.
Ma'am, what is the syllabus for English grammar?
Just 1 second. 18 students have raised their hands now. What is this, children? 18 students. Just 1 second. What is the strength of your sections?
Ma'am, around 40 of 90.
Roughly, should I take 40 in each section?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the total
Yes.
becomes how much?
80.
80. 80.
80.
Fine. And how many of them have submitted? Just check out. What is
Excuse
the
me.
number coming? Yes, beta.
Aryan Nigam has also submitted. He's attending the class with me.
Okay. Very simple. Are
Ma'am,
you
18
doing?
students.
Children, just tell me one thing. Is it that you are not able to submit? Then it is okay. Fine, for some reason there is nobody who can come to school and submit. I am okay with it. But tell me one thing, if you're not doing only, then how will things work out? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have not made only your notebook? Better submit it in the school, please, because in UTs you'll have 5 marks for your notebooks. Why don't you do this? Submit your work so that we can also finish your corrections.
Excuse me,
Why
ma'am.
don't you- How many of you have not made only notebooks? Just raise your hand those who have not made the notebooks only. Tell me. Nobody else? Will you submit or not submit? I don't even know this. Very, very bad. Okay, those who submitted can do it in rough copy. Those who have not submitted will do it in the fair copy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, do you speak out?
Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, actually I'm out of station, ma'am. So I have taken permission from Akash sir and I will submit my notebooks on 3 or 4.
It's okay, that's fine. I'll collect it next week from you. Those who have not submitted now, please submit it next week. But make sure you submit them better. Okay?
Okay.
We are doing appropriate form of the verb.
Mama, I can't submit my notebook.
Why?
Ma'am, as I am living in Faridpur, that's why I can't.
So those
submit.
students who will not submit in the UTs, I will tell them to send WhatsApp pics to me.
Or ma'am
Is
in
it okay?
PDF.
Yes, you will have to send me because the point is that if I want them to give marks for UTs. So those who will not submit, I will tell you to send a PDF to me in the UTs. Is it okay? And
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
if you're not able to submit, never mind. You have to do one thing only. You remember what we have to do? When I'll ask you in the UTs, you will have to send me a PDF of your work. First to 1 to 5 roll numbers, 5 roll numbers I will ask. Okay, Piche? Let's do this.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So that you don't lose on your marks. There are certain students who cannot submit. So we'll do it like this. Okay,
Thank you,
Piche?
ma'am.
Chalo, we'll do it. Never mind. I understand it will not be easy for everybody. to
When
send
the
the
students who have
notebooks.
submitted the notebooks,
Beta, their notebooks will be collected. Maybe today or tomorrow I'll go to school and then I'll collect them. Then I'll do the corrections. I'll let you know. You get them back.
okay,
Those who have
ma'am.
not submitted will have to send a PDF to me. Beta, look at
And in
this.
any subject, we can do like this, sending PDF.
Beta, this you will have to ask your teachers. And it depends on teacher to teacher. I mean,
Excuse
I'm
me.
okay. I understand the children who stay in Faridpur and Bisalpur cannot send their notebooks. It's okay. See, my concern is your work should be complete. I will check once we meet offline if there is a problem. For those students, there is a problem, I'll check. But my concern is the work should be done. So you can send me the PDF. I'm also happy that you're doing your work.
Ma'am, I have to send the PDF on WhatsApp or on email.
Beta WhatsApp, but I will tell you not everybody together. I'll post. First, I will see whose notebook has come. I will put a tick in front of the names in the class list. Then I'll see who all are left. Then on the group, I'll be posting the names that these 5 students will send today, these 5 students will send today. This is how I've planned it. Okay? And those who don't send, you lose on your marks in UT, then don't tell me, ma'am, why did I get less marks in the unit test? I am not troubling you at all. Simply sit at home. If there is nobody who can come and submit, you just send the PDF to me. All of
Ma'am,
you read
when
the
do we have to send a PDF?
Beta, I'll post on the group with names. First, I'll get the notebooks collected from school. Then I'll put a tick in front of the names whose notebooks have come. I will get to know those who have not submitted. Then I'll tell you when you have to submit. Please read the
Excuse me.
first paragraph and tell
Okay.
me what is happening in the first paragraph. Read quickly. Read in
Excuse
your
me.
mind and tell me what is this. Students,
Excuse me,
just read
ma'am.
the first paragraph. Yes.
Yesterday last exercise of prepositions were left.
Never mind. That's a practice. We've already done prepositions so many times. We are just doing an exercise revision because prepositions are a part of your UTs. This chapter tenses will not come in UT. The one I started today is tenses and this will not come in the UT.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yeah.
what all comes to UT?
Prepositions, conjunctions, comprehension passage, descriptive paragraph. Okay.
Ma'am, not conjunctions, moda.
Ma'am, modal.
Oh,
And
sorry,
modals.
modals. Yes, modals. I'll speak to sir today if sir allows. I will send the syllabus on the groups.
Ma'am, do you
Thank
have
you.
an idea of
And ma'am, when the date will
Thank
be
you, ma'am.
released?
Beta exams are starting from 15th July. So sir said we will post on 1st and 2nd. Maybe you have a break for 1st to 5th July. Most
Yes, ma'am.
probably you have holidays from 1st to 5th July. So on 1st or 2nd July, we'll post it, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
syllabus
Okay.
also?
If you read the first paragraph, we are describing the routine of a person. Whose routine are we describing? Laura.
Lord.
Laura.
Laura. She wakes up, she starts, she finishes, she cooks, she goes. If you see in the entire paragraph, we are using S with the verb. बच्चे ध्यान से देखिए. This is wakes, walks, starts, breaks, finishes, cooks, goes. So everywhere S and ES is being used. What I'm trying to tell you is whenever we describe the routine of an individual, we just put S or ES with the verb. Like with go, it is not S now. What is it? Goes. What is the spelling?
G-O-E-S.
So you have to simply make it S or ES and describe the routine of an individual. I want one of you to describe the routine of your mother. Who will do it? Keeping in mind that this is the way how we describe. She cooks, she sleeps, she walks, whatever S, S, E, S has to be used. One of you start speaking, describe. Short lines, describe the routine of your mother. Who will speak? Who will speak? Nobody can speak the routine of mother. Saksham has raised his hand. Yes, Saksham, speak with him.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak with him. Start.
Yes, ma'am. My mother wakes up at 8 a.m. and starts her day by ma'am
See
by
how
taking
nicely.
her tea. She,
Hmm.
what?
Continue.
She starts her day by taking her tea. N- Next, next on 9 a.m. At 9 a.m. she cooks breakfast for us all and serves us happily. We love her delicious food and she cooks for us very delightfully. I can never hope for a better mom. He he washes my clothes. He helps me in my studies and always is always there to protect me. Thank you.
See, beta, how
That
he spoke now. She wakes up, she washes, she cooks, she takes care of me. So everywhere S, S, S. This is called simple present tense. What is it called?
Simple present.
Whenever you are doing something every day, it's a part of the routine. Like supposing there is a boy who goes to the park every day. So we will say he comes to the park every day. There is a girl who walks very quickly, fast. So we'll say she walks very fast. This is her habit. Habit and routines are always described in which tense?
Simple present.
Simple present tense. In simple present tense, you have to simply add S when you are describing others, not for yourself. You will not say, I love pizza. Not for yourself, but for others. Supposing there is your friend who likes pizza. So this is her habit. This is a routine. She likes it. So you will say she likes pizzas. So this tense is called as which tense, children?
Simple present.
And in simple present tense, we simply add S or ES. Now let's read this. Read the second paragraph in your mind, everybody. Second paragraph. I'm just telling you first how to use verbs and tenses, then we'll talk about it later about this. Simple present tense. Let's read the second paragraph. I met Tom and Jane at the airport a few weeks ago. Which tense is this?
Simple past tense.
Simple
Yes.
past tense.
Simple past tense.
Yes, beta, it is past tense. And which word tells you that this is past tense, this sentence?
Met.
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 Ago. Ago also.
Because we are
Ma'am,
talking
what?
about few weeks ago. We are talking about few weeks ago. पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं. So it is not meat. It's not meats. What is the word we have used? Met. What is the word
Met.
we used? Met.
Met.
Let's come to this. Were going. What tense is this?
Past continuous.
And past continuous.
It's past continuous. Excellent. ING is always used for continuous and was and were is past. I was going. This is which tense?
Past continuous.
Past continuous.
We had a chat. Had.
Simple past.
Simple tense.
Ma'am,
Yes.
past perfect.
Past perfect. Excellent. Had is always past perfect. Very good. What is the difference between past and past perfect? Why did not we write we chatted? It could have been simple past. Why did we say we had a chat? Does anyone know the difference between simple past and past perfect?
Ma'am, in past,
Yes. Okay. Simple past and past perfect. What is the difference? Okay, I'll give you sentence. Then I'll see if you can guess it out. Listen to my sentence. I met him 5 years ago. I met him 5 years ago. And my second sentence is, I had met him last week. I met him 5 years ago. I had met him last week.
Duration.
Yes, very good. We are going closer. Children, see if it is something quite old, very old, then it is simple past. I said I met him 5 years ago. काफी time हो गया, पुरानी बात है. This is 5 years ago. Recent past is past perfect. Just remember this word, recent past. Abhi naya past is what we call as past perfect. So I said, I had met him 1 week ago. So the difference between past and past perfect is that past perfect is which kind of a past, children?
Ma'am, which has
Recent past. What is the word you will use?
recent past.
Not very old, not very old. Now come to this sentence. We are talking about few years or few weeks.
Few weeks.
So it is a recent past. So we have used, we had a chat. We waited for a flight. We also saw Susan. Saw is which tense?
Ma'am, past.
Ma'am, past tense.
Okay. Now come to this. Read the third paragraph. Let me discuss a few things about this with you. Just read the third paragraph. I'll ask a few things to you. Yes, Shulu. Coffee is a beverage drunk by many past generations. Why did we not say had drunk?
And because not past.
Hmm?
Ma'am, it's a universal truth.
It has been happening for many years now.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
not a recent past. Okay. Coffee is made from beans picked from trees. So are we picking the beans right now? Yesterday or last week?
No, ma'am.
No, no. So we have not done had picked. We have simply written what? Picked. Coffee trees are grown. We are still growing them. Okay. Let's do this. Why did we change the word study to studying in this sentence? The second question. Tell me. Who will tell me in the first sentence why study changed to studying?
Ma'am, we could have also write to study, but if we have to use only one, we will like studying.
No. Anyone else?
Ma'am, because it is present.
It is present continuous. But how did you get to know it is present continuous? Which word gave you this idea?
Doing.
ing.
Doing.
Ex- Yes,
Doing.
ing, that is doing. Because here we had present continuous ing, so we changed study into studying. Okay. I am learning to cook Japanese, but it's very difficult. Am. Is MR. Wherever you have is MR, ing is used. Can anybody tell me why pack is changed to packing in the third sentence?
Ma'am, it's present continuous.
Rita?
Ma'am, present continuous.
But why have you used present continuous?
Ma'am, because ES is added after finish.
Yes, we can't leave until Jenny finishes. We are still waiting for Jenny to finish her work or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We read the sentence. We are still waiting for her to finish her work. So present continuous. Fourth one now. Which word tells you that go has to be changed to going?
I'm traveling.
Very good. Traveling. Excellent. Because traveling has ing. It's very clear that we need to change go to going. Okay, tell me. Watch. Obviously, there is no change over here. Why make has been converted to making?
I'm telling them.
Ma'am, studying.
Studying.
Present
I'm
continuous.
studying.
Studying. Yes. So there are so many clues, children, you get on your own when you carefully observe a passage. Studying. Yes, seventh sentence. Why is it not promising? Why is it changed to promised?
Ma'am, was.
Ma'am,
Because-
was.
And was.
Good was. Now you have got what I'm trying to teach. Excellent. Eighth one. Why is it changed to lives? Why not living? Yes, because it is. I just told you when I started this action.
Ma'am, it's singular.
No. When I started today the class, I told you about this.
Ma'am, her.
Singular.
Yes, it is a routine. What is it? It is a routine, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, this is a routine. So he lives with your parent. Every day is living, so this is routine. Students are rehearsing. Which word told you ing has to be used?
R.
Are.
I told you SMR always takes what?
ing form.
ing forms. The headmaster wants to talk to you.
Talk.
Yes. Headmaster is singular or plural?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Singular.
Singular. And with singular we use an S. After explaining so much, now I'm giving you this first paragraph. You please prepare your answers. You will not write the answers. You will only write ones I have discussed with you. Is it okay, children? Please prepare your answers and raise your hands so that I know that you are ready. Just raise your hands. Do not write the answers. I'll discuss. Yes.
what heading we will give?
Better that I will tell you when we will write. As of now, you don't have to write. Just plan your answers for the first paragraph, then I will tell you. Just plan your answers, raise your hands. Okay, now you take out your notebooks, put on the heading tenses and put on today's date. Tenses and today's date. Everybody, hurry up. Put on the heading tenses, put on today's date and exercise 1. Tenses, today's date, and the heading is exercise 1. Hurry up, please do it and tell me quickly if you're done. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, side by side, I'll discuss the answers and you will keep writing them. Okay, we'll discuss also and we'll write also because we have less time left now. Let's do it. Spring is a time when everything on the earth dash with fruits and flowers.
Covers.
Covers. Very good, very good. Covers with fruits and flowers and it dash a very beautiful time of the year.
Becomes.
Is.
Becomes.
Is. Beta, various forms of be, is, was, are, were. जहाँ पे be लिखा है, that means you can select from is, was, are and were. So is a very beautiful time of the year. If you dash it with life,
Compares.
Will
no,
compare.
not
Compare.
only compare only. Compare will remain compare only. Okay, if we compare it with life, childhood is the spring of the life, and once it is lost, it never dash.
Returns.
Very good. Returns. Very good. The children who pick garbage every day find their life in garbage as it is a source of their livelihood. The childhood of these children dash in earning money.
Is lost.
Lost.
Is lost. Very good. It is lost, earning money. They dash no relation with culture and education for them has no meaning.
They have.
They have. Very
They
good. So
have.
let's discuss the answers quickly. What is the first answer?
Covers.
Second,
Is.
Is.
third,
Compare.
Compare.
okay, D is
Returns.
Return.
Returns.
very good. E is
It's lost.
Is lost.
F is
Have.
Have.
G. Okay, we don't have G over here. Now put on the heading paragraph 2. Paragraph 2. Have you put on the heading paragraph 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss. Tom Wilson, I want you to read the paragraph once. Read the paragraph, then only you'll be able to give correct answers. Quickly read it, I'll discuss the answers with you. Paragraph 2. And then you need to post your work also after finishing. Hurry up, read the paragraph 2. Let's discuss and you can write the answers side by side. Tom Wilson dash an explorer.
Is.
Very good. Is an explorer. He dashed to nearly every country in the world.
Is.
Yes. Tell me.
Is.
No.
Ma'am has been.
He had been.
Very
Ma'am
good.
has been.
Very good. Has been. He has been to nearly every country in the world, but the most exciting time he dashed was
Ever had.
excellent. Excellent.
Ever
Had. Ever had was when he dashed to the Congo jungle.
Went.
Very good. Went to the Congo jungle. A magazine dashing to retrace the route of a famous explorer.
Asked him.
Asked him.
Asked him. Too good. You people have done very nice. Very nice. Famous explorer who dashed in the 1920s.
Disappeared.
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 Very good. Very good. As he dashed a small river,
Followed.
yes, as he followed a small river, he got separated from his guides. He dashed on alone.
Went on.
Went on.
Went
Very
on.
good. He went on alone, hoping he dashed them.
Find.
Found.
Find them.
Hoping he
Not
finds them. But instead, he dashed a group of natives.
Encountered.
Encountered.
Very good. He dashed with them for several days.
Stayed.
Yes, it is stayed. And dashed out the very old woman.
Found out.
Found out.
Found.
Found out that a very old woman dashed the famous explorer.
Knows.
Had actually met. What is the word we'll use? Had actually met the explorer. She dashed how he. What is the past tense of know?
New.
Knew.
Very good. She knew how he dashed.
Died.
Died. Very good. She knew how he died. Tom dashed very friendly with the natives.
Became.
Came.
Came. And now he dashed to go back and see them again.
Is planning.
Yes, you can take is planning or you can take plans, anything. He is sure they dash him back.
Will welcome.
Will welcome.
Will welcome.
Okay, let's discuss the answers. A is
Is.
Is.
B,
Has been.
Has been.
C,
Ever
Ever
had.
had.
D,
Went.
E,
Asked.
Asked.
F,
Disappeared.
Disappeared.
G,
Followed.
Followed.
H,
Went on.
I,
Finds.
J,
Encountered.
K,
Stayed.
L,
Found out.
Found out.
M,
Had
Had
Actually met.
very nice, N,
Knew.
Knew.
O,
Died.
Died.
very good, P,
Became.
Plan.
Q,
Is
Planning.
very good. And the last one, R.
Will welcome.
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 Now put on the heading paragraph 3. Put on the heading paragraph 3.
Ma'am, what will be the answer of M of paragraph 2?
M. Let's tell him where is M.
Had actually.
Very old woman had actually met. Had actually met.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, what
Okay.
will be the last one?
Will welcome him back. Because see, he is planning to
Okay.
go back. So it is future tense. He is not gone, he is planning still. So future tense. Third one. Read the third paragraph quickly. Let's discuss the answers. Okay, read the paragraph. Okay, let's discuss the answers. Let's write them side by side. Sue Thomas is a fashion designer. She dash clothes.
Makes.
She makes because it is a routine. She makes clothes ever since she dash a young girl.
Had been.
Was because it is not recent past, na beta. We are talking about the time when she was a young girl. So this is not recent past. So do not use had. Had is only used with recent past. Kuch weeks purana,
Ma'am,
kuch
what
months
will be the
purana
answer
baat.
of B?
So She makes clothes ever since she was a young girl. She dashed her first job in a clothes factory.
Got.
God.
She got her first job in a clothes factory when she was 16. She dashed buttons onto a shirt
Sewed.
one day.
Was
Was sewing. Okay, read the sentence. See, read the sentence. Dash buttons when she dashed a brilliant idea for a design.
Had.
Yes. She was sewing button onto a shirt when she had a brilliant idea for a design. After she dashed to her bank
Spoke.
manager. Very
Spoke.
good. And she dashed her, she got a
Opened.
loan and she,
Opened.
Opened.
okay. Now she dashed lot of money.
Make.
Makes. Very good. It's a routine now. She makes lot of money. Next year she dash a shop which will sell her own designs.
Opened.
Will open because we're talking about future tense. So it will be will open. She dashed clothes to a lot of famous people, including film stars and
Sells.
singers.
Sells.
No, beta see. We are talking about next year from here. She will open, she will do that, she will
Will
say next
sell.
Will sell.
Will
will
sell.
s- including film stars and singers. She dash, she will be very rich soon.
Thinks.
Thinks.
Very good. She thinks she will be very rich soon. Okay, A is, what is A?
Makes.
Makes.
Make.
What is B?
Was.
C,
Got.
Got.
D,
was
Sewing.
Got doing.
okay, E,
Had.
F,
Spoke.
Spoke.
G,
opened,
Opened.
H,
Makes.
I,
will open,
Open.
J,
Will sell.
and K.
Thinks.
Okay. We still have a minute or so. Put on heading paragraph 4. You can write with me. One day a little Indian boy dashed outside his wigwam.
Was sitting.
Was sitting. Very good. Was sitting. He dashed how the Indians.
He wonder.
He was wondering because here it is was sitting, so was wondering. One day a little Indian boy was sitting outside his wigwam. He was wondering how the Indians dashed their children's name.
Choose.
Chose. Just cut one, chose. He dashed to go and ask the Indian chief.
decided,
Very good. Decided. Well, dashed the chief.
Explained.
Yes, explained. We dashed nature.
Loved.
Yes, we love nature. And when a baby dash born
Is.
is when a baby is born, we look around and we dash a name.
Choose.
Very good. Choose a name from what we see. No change in this. See. Like flowering waterfall, bright star, running bull, and so on. Dash, you understand?
Do you
Did
understand?
you understand?
Do you
Did you-
understand?
Did you understand? Past tense. Yes, chief, the little Indian boy said. Why Dash so interested in this?
You have been.
No.
Have.
Why Dash so interested in fighting? See,
Have
this
you
is
been-
present. This is present. ING. It is
Are
present
you-
continuous.
Are you?
Use are.
Are
Very
you?
good. Very good. It is present continuous, so are. So what was A?
was sitting,
Was sitting.
What is B?
Was wondering.
C. Please post your work even if the
Choose.
class gets over. C.
Choose.
D.
Decided.
E.
Explained.
Everybody has to post